48 here in Greenville, but 62 down there in Jackson. It's not even 7 a.m. just yet. But you will much cooler temperatures right now. 28 right now in Amarillo and 30 down in Midland, Texas. So much colder air is going to filter in behind that system, but not today. We should make it up to about 65 by the end of the day today. Graphics and see we do have some heavier rainfall. I don't need any glasses just yet. Now that I'm up a little bit closer to the monitor, I'll be just fine, but thank you very much. See, that low over Kentucky will push off to the north and east, and then that high pressure will come through, and we'll have winds actually shift out of the southeast around Tuesday, so we'll actually have some warmer conditions as we go into the first part of next week. So temperatures tonight will only make it down to 35 degrees because we'll have that cloud cover. Winds will be out of the north-northwest at 5 miles per hour, but then by the morning time, those clouds will begin to clear out. We'll have a few clouds hanging in here in the morning, but we'll make it up to 69 degrees once the sun comes out. Winds will be out of the west-southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour, so maybe a little bit windy out there, but all in all, not a bad day. So get out there and enjoy it while you can. But for the first part of the next week, we'll have a lot of sunshine, probably ending probably around Tuesday or Wednesday. We'll have a chance of some showers, but look at those temperatures back into the 60s. I mean, spring is here, and 71 on Tuesday. Now, we'll look towards the end of next week. We might have a chance of some thunderstorms and maybe some showers Wednesday through Friday, but all in all, not a bad week at all. Temperatures mostly in the 60s, and look, you don't even have any freezing temperatures at all for the next week, so I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, I was going to say, spring has been here for quite some time.
Yeah, it definitely has.
I'm like, where's winter?
It doesn't look like it's going anywhere at all.
All right, then. Thanks to you so much there, Joel. We'll straight ahead on you.
And you can see the brighter colors here. Typically, when you look at this, you would think the brighter colors are where the dangerous part of the storm is. This is actually our hail core. This is not where the tornado is at the moment, or possible tornado. The tornado would be down to the south and east of Calhoun City. In fact, right here where you don't even see any colors here except for blue, that's where the danger zone is. And that's very strong possibility of a tornado could be on the ground there. So seriously, this is nothing to mess around with. If you're in southwestern Chickasaw County, in fact, if you're in Chickasaw County, if you're in Houston, go ahead and get in your tornado safe places. I really think that the main track is going to carry this back but somewhere between Woodland and Houston. Not quite as cold as last night. We're in the upper 40s here in the Golden Triangle, but look at this. We're just in the mid-50s in Jackson, 52 in Memphis, and a little cooler over in Alabama, but really not a whole lot of temperature variation across much of the southeast, but the dew points just a little lower than that, and since the dew points are rising and the temperatures are falling, they may kind of tie, and when that happens, we could see some fog. So if you're out and about on the roadways, keep that in mind. You just want to be careful out there. But tonight, we'll see the cloud cover. That will move on through and begin to clear out by the early morning hours. Then throughout much of the day tomorrow, we'll have plenty of sunshine out there, so we'll warm up to a nice warm temperature. It'll be another spring-like day. Then the clouds will move on in Tuesday morning, and throughout the day, much on Tuesday, we could see some chances of rain. So keep that in mind. But then Wednesday really is when I think the chances of some severe weather is. But tonight, we'll make it down to about 44 degrees. Winds will be out of the southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. We'll have mostly cloudy conditions, but still chilly. Even though it wasn't quite as cold as last night, still going to be chilly. So wear a coat out there. But in the morning, we'll clear out. We'll get up to about 68 degrees. Winds will be out of the southeast at 5 miles per hour, and we'll have plenty of sunshine, so get out there and enjoy the day. But then Tuesday, we'll have some rain chances there, 50% chances really, with a high of about 72. And then we won't really cool down at all overnight. We'll only make it down to about 62 Wednesday morning. Then we'll have a chance for some possible severe weather on Wednesday, and I'll keep you updated on Facebook or Twitter about that. Thursday, we'll start to cool down to about 65 degrees. We'll have plenty of sunshine, and then spring makes another comeback at 72 degrees by Friday.